Hello. Now we are moving toward the part of the history. In the history, three chapters are given for study. All these three chapters are very important, not only for the class ninth, for class 10th, also it's are very important. The first chapter is here. The French Revolution. This event is very important, not only for the study of the France. This is very important to understand democracy in the world, how democracy brought in the world. This is the starting of the democracy bringing in the world liberty, fraternity. These values are given by the French Revolution. Liberty, fraternity, and equality, these values are given by this French Revolution. About this, we are going to study in this chapter. On the first page, you are looking, one incident is depicted here, the storming of Bastille. The storming of Bastille is the starting of revolution in the France. But for it, what things were reasoning there, what causes were there, that also we are going to see in this chapter. The fall of Bastille is not only enough here, further and earlier, many events were taken place. The chain of event is bonded or made the French Revolution or titled as a French Revolution. We start on the morning of 14th July 1780. The city of Paris was in the state of alarm. It is said the state of alarm. People were get alert in the morning of the 14th July 1789. Why these people get alert? The king had commanded troops to more into the city. The king sent the troops to move into the city. When king sent these troops, that time the rumors also spread in the city. What rumors were spread? Rumors spread that he would soon order the army to open fire upon the citizens. The rumors were spread. Maybe the king is going to order to the army make open fire upon the citizens. So people get afraid through these rumors, and some of 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the town hall and decided to form a people's militia. Near of 7,000 men and women came together, gathered in front of the town hall, and decided themselves they will make the people's militia. If the king is sending his military, so we will be ready with our military. They broke into a number of government buildings in a search of arms. These 7,000 people broke into number of groups and went to the different government buildings to look the arms, the arming forces, arm material. If we get somewhere, that is why these people went to look the arms. Finally, one group of several hundred people marched towards the eastern part of the city. Hundred of people went toward the eastern part of the city and stormed the fortress prison. These people stormed the fortress prison, that is the Bastille, when they were hoped to find hoarded ammunition. Maybe the ammunition is stored in this prison. That is why these people went to look the ammunition, the material for the fight may be stored in this prison. That is why these people went to the prison, to the Bastille. The Bastille is the name of the prison. It is called Fortress Prison. In the armed fight that followed, the commander of the Bastille was killed. The armed fight took place in between these people and commander, and in this fight, the commander killed. Not only these people killed the commander, these people released a prisoner also. And the prisoners released, though there were only 7 of them. Yet the Bastille was hated by all. The Bastille, the place, is hated by the people because it was stood for the despotic power of the king. It was standing for the despotic power of the king. The fortress was demolished. The prison was demolished by these people, destroyed, demolished, destroyed, and its stone fragments were sold. After destroying this fortress prison, the stones were sold by the people. The remaining stones were sold by the people in a market to all those who wished to keep a souvenir souvenir of its destruction. People want those who want to keep a symbol of the destruction. They they bought the stones, remainings of the Bastille, which sold by these people. This is the incident which took place on the 14th July 1789. After that, it is not stopped. Many events were took place that we will see in this next part.